What's up guys, it's Joe back with another video. Today I'm gonna do a quick little install for the new steering wheel that I just got for my car. It's really freaking hot today. I don't know why I decided to do this in the middle of the day, but I just I'm excited. I got the steering wheel about like 3 days ago and I've been just meant to put it on. I've been kind of busy lately, but I'm just gonna get out of the way. Hopefully it doesn't take long, and then I'm really excited for it. So far I think I'm only gonna use this one. It's a number 3 to take this one off and take the other one off. I still don't know if I'm gonna keep this on or off. I think this is gonna stay on. I will find out. This is my first time doing a steering wheel install, so I'm gonna learn as I go. It looks like it's something really super simple, so it shouldn't be anything complicated. So I'm just removing the last one. It's pretty much really simple. Get it loose. Yes, before I forgot to mention, before I started doing this, I disconnected my battery just in case. But I'm just gonna remove this bolt, take this one out, which I'm pretty sure is almost completely loose. Almost there. But yeah, I removed the battery. I disconnected the battery, and this took like maybe a minute in total. There it goes. It's come off loose. It's hard to do with one hand when you're holding the camera. Move this, put it to the side, and then I just gotta disconnect the horn. And of course, this is it's pretty much plug and play. Yeah, the one I got disconnected pretty much by itself, and I'll disconnect this one as well. There you go. Horn button is disconnected, and then complete steering wheel's out. I make sure my wheels are straight right now. So this just pretty much has this one gonna sit on, and then connect the connecting back up. I hate that my car comes with like all this ghetto ass wiring harnesses. A way to do it. Always everything in my car comes like really ghetto. Like the way they did all the wiring in my car, well, everything electrical that's related to my car is like the previous owner did it super ghetto. Where you can tell he did it like on his garage or something. Like whenever it came to like performance stuff, like my car came with like a really nice two-way diff or whatever. So whenever it came to like performance stuff, he did spend the money on it. But whenever it was like simple stuff, like my car used to come with like interior lights and like my doors had lights too. All of that was like super ghetto done. So I guess you say the owner kind of like put all the money to performance, and then just like it was like whatever, dude. Whenever it came to like older stuff that it's just for show and doesn't really matter whenever it comes to performance, which is good though. I mean, it is good, but sometimes it's kind of annoying when you see all others. Me when I see all this. This is the so this is the brand of the steering wheel. There it goes. That's a brand. I think it's called like Vintage. Yeah, I think it's Vintage or something. Oh no, I gotta double check. So this one just goes there. Pretty much, I'm gonna connect this one. I shouldn't really check which one goes to what, but I feel like they should be the exact same thing. If not, I just change them back. I don't know. I don't fuck with electronics that well. I think this is one. This is the other one. It comes with extra ones on mine, like on little packaging. So I'm gonna double check if I should change those ones or just skip the old ones. So I'll be back in a second. So I just connected them back on the new this thing's falling off. On the new pretty much horn, and then I put the steering wheel first. Then you connect the horn in. It doesn't want to go easier now. Oh, it goes in. I put it in. Just align the bolts. My wheels are straight right now, so the logo how I put it down line up. It's so complicated to do with one hand while holding the camera with the other one. And then you just put this one on top. Again, line up. And I'm gonna put the camera down for a second while I connect one of the bolts. This one comes with silver ones and black ones, I guess, to match whatever you want to choose to match your car. I'm gonna choose the black ones because I think that they're gonna look better than the silver ones, my own opinion. So I just put one in. I'm gonna put it kind of like still use that one kind of like as a leverage. So I kind of line the rest with this little bag, and then I'm gonna align them, make sure the thread gets in, and then I'm gonna turn them up again. Then I'm gonna connect the battery, make sure the horn actually works, because I know I had somebody they connect somehow, some way. They connected the horn right, and then when they connected the battery back on, the car was honking the entire fucking time. He had to disconnect it back off and redo it so the car will shut up. Because otherwise the car, as soon as the battery was connected, the car wouldn't shut up. It'd be like honking the entire fucking time. And I don't want that to happen to me. Probably it's gonna happen, to be honest. I have the worst luck whenever it comes to installing things on car. But this is like really simple so far. It's super hot right now. Like I'm legitimate sweating. It looks like I just went for like a 5-mile run. Actually, I didn't notice, but the little packaging, I'm actually gonna use the one from the packaging better. The little packaging includes basically the tool that you need, which is pretty nice. I'm just gonna use the one from the packaging better instead of the other one. And then I'm gonna tighten this ones up. Once I'm done tying them up, I'll come back on to show you guys how it looks like. So I just realized that the black ones that I was using prior to these ones, I'm almost 100% sure they're meant for whenever you're not running the center cap, because they don't fit in here. Like there will be a little gap in between because there's no space for them. So the silver ones are the ones meant for the center cap. This one is just for, you know, the people that don't like to run center caps. So I exchange them. Right now what I'm gonna do, I connect the horn. I noticed I did the wiring run the wrong way, so I changed the wires right before I put the when I changed the little nuts. I changed the wires again, because how I did it before, they were wrong. So I changed the wires, like, you know, change the connections, and then I put this ones on. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna reconnect my battery. Hopefully it doesn't, you know, my car doesn't stay like with the horn on the entire time, you know, honking. Alright, it hasn't honked yet. How about maybe it doesn't work? Let me press it to see if it works. Oh, it does work. Yeah, it works. So I'm gonna disconnect it again, just cause, and I'm gonna finish installing the steering wheel. I can't even speak right now for how hot it is. But yeah, I'm gonna finish with the other 4 that I have left and finish tightening this too, and then after that it'll be done. So it's finally installed. The only thing I would recommend, same thing with the wheels. I did it in a pattern, so no going like clockwise or counterclockwise, whatever. I started with this one. No, I started with this one, moved to this one, then I believe move here, then I did top and bottom. I can't remember, but like, you know, don't just go on a punter. Like do cross, so it could be adjusting little by little, so it can actually be perfect fit. And yeah, that's it. Let me show you guys how it looks like on the car. That's too much of a space. I don't have much space to show you guys, but that's how it looks. I'm gonna reconnect the battery again. Yeah, hopefully that shows just better. But I'm gonna reconnect the battery. And then, yeah, that's all. That's usually how you do a steering wheel install. That was pretty simple, nothing crazy. Took me like maybe 10 minutes, the most. But yeah, I need to go wash the car. But I mean, like I said, I'm really sweaty still. My shirt is like soaking wet for how hot it is. It's summer here in Okinawa, so it's like super hot and humid at the same time. And then just like walking outside of your house, you start sweating right away. Like I was at home like all morning, walked out in the evening, by the time I walked from the apartment to the car, I was already sweating. So that's it. Little by little more videos are coming. I think my front mount just got here. Actually, I just got a message as I was doing the steering wheel. So probably that's gonna be the next one if I have the time. But yeah, see you guys in different videos.